Good morning, sir. I want to give you an answer about the question where you want to know about the skill that I can transfer for this department. And let me tell you a little bit about my experience. Okay, I was working in Baker Hughes Company for 15 years, precisely in the workover and completion. There, I was on a specialist in completion tool for drilling and workover area. I have, to my mind, 5 employees. For this reason, I have different skills in personnel management and operation support. Through these years of experience, I had training in different types of operation, in addition to customer support. How this focused on the well service line. It is for this reason that I can put all this experience into practice in your company to grow the business and be able to reach new customers. Also, I have a long experience in other areas like sand control, wellbore cleanup, surface safety system, through tubing intervention, and liner hanger. In addition, for this information, I was working in different countries around the world.